Most tire shops think they're doing great because they're busy all day. Cars lined up, staff rushing, no time to breathe. But here's the truth, being busy can actually be the reason you're not making real money, and almost no one talks about this. By the end of this episode, you'll understand the one number that quietly controls your profit and how small changes can increase your income without increasing your workload. Stick with this because this is where most shop owners get it completely wrong. See, in the real world, tire shops don't fail because of lack of customers. They struggle because they measure the wrong thing. Counting cars feels productive, but it doesn't tell you how much you're actually earning. Let's break this down. Most shops track how many jobs they complete in a day. We did 20 cars today. Sounds impressive. But here's something no one talks about. Two shops can both do 20 cars and one makes solid profit while the other barely survives. Why? Because one focuses on value per job and the other just focuses on volume. This is where everything changes. There's one number you need to understand: average job value. It's simple. Take your total daily turnover and divide it by the number of jobs. So, if you made £2,000 from 20 jobs, your average job value is £100. Now, here's the interesting part. What if you increase that to £115 or £120? You didn't do more work. You didn't add more hours, but your profit goes up instantly. This is where most people mess up. They try to grow by doing more cars instead of making each job worth more. Think about your own shop for a second. Are you chasing volume or value? Now let's go deeper. More jobs often means more stress. Staff rushing, mistakes happening, discounts being given just to close the sale. And at the end of the day, you're exhausted but not satisfied with the numbers. But when your average job value increases, everything changes. Fewer cars, more control, better margins, calmer environment. You're not just working harder, you're working smarter. So how do you actually increase this number? This is where small things make a big difference. Most shops ignore easy add-ons sitting right in front of them. For example, valves. Instead of just fitting them silently, explain why they matter. TPMS service or replacement. Many customers don't even know what it is unless you tell them. Alignment checks after tire changes. This is a perfect opportunity that gets missed daily. And here's a big one, offering premium tire options instead of defaulting to the cheapest. Another overlooked area: puncture repair. Many shops jump straight to replacement, but sometimes repair is the better option for the customer and still profitable for you. Now imagine adding just £5 to £15 extra per job. Doesn't sound like much, right? But multiply that across 20 jobs a day and then across a month. This is where real profit starts building. Don't skip this part because this is the difference between surviving and scaling. Now, if your shop also does MOTs or servicing, you have an even bigger advantage. You already have trust. When a customer is there for a service and you say, "These tires will fail next time, want to sort them now?" That's not selling, that's helping. And customers respond to that. Let me ask you something. Are you using those opportunities or letting them pass? Because most shops are leaving money on the table every single day. Now here's the simplest but most powerful step. Start tracking one number daily. At the end of each day, write down 3 things: total turnover, number of jobs, average job value. Do this for 30 days. You'll start seeing patterns. You'll notice which days perform better, which services add more value, and where you're losing money. And once you see it, you can improve it. That's the key. So let's bring this together. Being busy doesn't mean being profitable. More cars doesn't guarantee more money. The shops that win focus on increasing average job value, not just increasing workload. Small add-ons, better conversations, smarter offers. That's how you grow without burning out. Now think about your last working day. What was your average job value? And more importantly, how can you increase it tomorrow? If this made you rethink how you run your shop, drop a comment and share your number. And subscribe for more practical insights that actually help you grow without the stress. If you run a tire shop, garage or mobile tyre fitting van and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range and premium tyres all in one place. Plus fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.